make this recipe, first we need grated cabbage, slit green chillies, grated ginger, grated tomato and fried prawns. Also we need some diced potatoes, and in powder masala we need Kashmiri mirch powder, GaramMasala powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder and cumin powder. Also we need whole cumin seeds, cow's ghee, sugar and bay leaves. Now in a karai I will take 8 tablespoons of mustard oil where I had already fried the prawns. Now I will add cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and 2 bay leaves. Now I will add the diced potatoes in it and fry it together. Along with it, I am going to add the grated ginger, grated tomato and slit green chillies. Keep watching, friends.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass green into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Now I will add the grated cabbage in it. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for next 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes we can see the cabbage is well cooked. Now we will add the prawns and mix it well together. So friends, in the end I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee on top of it. It gives very nice aroma and flavor to the dish. Badhakopir Chingri Ghonto is ready. I have garnished it with coriander leaves and it's looking gorgeous and it really tastes yummy. Please have it with steamed rice and enjoy with your friends and families. And if you like this video, then please hit a like button and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you, stay well and happy cooking. Bye bye.